What's going on, everybody? This is your boy D back with you once again, and today we have some semi-breaking news. This broke yesterday evening, just being able to get this video out to you today, but we now have a confirmed date of July 18th, 2019 for the reveal of the C8 Mid Engine Corvette. That's right, everybody. It's no longer speculation. It's no longer speculation about it being a Cadillac or anything like that. GM has actually come out and said that the C8 Mid-Engine Corvette will be revealed on that date. So the location of that particular reveal, if I'm not mistaken, has not been disclosed yet. But this is the first time that GM has ever really acknowledged that there is even, that the cars that we have been seeing is an actual C8 mid-engine Corvette. And like I said, that led everyone to a lot of speculation about it being a possible Cadillac and different things like that. And so let me show you this quick video right here of Taj Juchter, the chief engineer, and Mary Barr, the president of, the CEO of GM. So everyone, as you can see, you got Taj Juchter and Mary Barra, who is in the passenger seat, driving through the streets of New York. The car looks amazing. On the back, you see they still have it covered up, the taillights covered up, because they're not trying to give away everything of the car. And so, yeah, it still has the zebra wrap that is on there, but you get a really good idea of the body lines of the car. And this is the first time GM has actually acknowledged that the car even exists. We all knew that a C8 was coming, but you know, there was speculation about it possibly being a Cadillac and all this other stuff like that. So you can see right now that it is not, everything has been revealed. It looks awesome actually driving through the streets of New York. And so yeah, this is exciting news in the Corvette world, because this is a complete departure from what the Corvette is or was. The first mid-engine variant for a Corvette, and this is just to try to bring Corvette into the future. Everybody knew that it was a possibility, and so yeah, it's actually real. It's actually here, everybody. And so as you can see on the banner, like I said, 2019 July 18th will be the date. So if you follow my channel for any amount of time, you know that I haven't done a lot of C8 content, and that is just because for me personally, I didn't want to get into C8 overload. And what I mean by that is that I've done so much C8 content that's all speculative, that by the time the car comes out, you know, I've just been overloaded with the C8 and I don't want to do it anymore. So I know myself, and I know that's what would have happened. So I just stayed away from that, everybody. But I had a lot of my good friends, Justin from Horsepower Obsessed, Clarence C. Garner Speed 252, you had Mike Brink of Speed, those guys who did a lot of C8 content for you guys, and they actually did an excellent job of keeping you up to date on what the next, what the newest renders were, or what the different engine variants could possibly be, and some of the patents and different things like that. So they did an excellent job, and so I pretty much left them to do all that content. And there was some other people out there doing C8 content as well, but personally for me, I just tried to stay away from it as much as I could. But now that we actually have a solid date, I will let you know that there will be more C8 content that's coming on the channel. So be on the lookout for that. So yeah, everybody, I just wanted to bring you that quick B-roll video. I'm sorry there's no sound. GM posted it without any sound, and so that's what we had to work with. Yeah, that's gonna do it for the channel. So if you guys like this video, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you like the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you so desire, and please hit that bell notification button so every time I drop a video, you'll be notified. So everyone, that's gonna do it for me. Hope everybody have a great day and a wonderful weekend, and as always, remember, everybody deployed, and I'm out.